Okay, this segment brings us to the next section of the solo. This will be the fourth section that we're working on here. What I'll do is play it along with the music. Okay, so there it is. It's going to be this section here. A lot of notes, and it goes by in about a second. So let's get started. We're going to do similar to what we did in the earlier section. I'm just going to breeze through it here because we've already seen it twice in other sections. Something like that. That's 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 7 slide. Except last time we went back. This time we're going to keep going and move our first finger over here to 6th fret on the 2nd string, and then 8th fret 2nd string. From there we have, which is similar to what we saw before in the other section of the song. Except this time it looks like that. So you can see he kind of uses a lot of the same fragments of licks for the solo. He just rearranges them in different ways. From there, we're going to do this lick here. Which is 8, pull the 6th, 2nd string, 7, pull the 5th, 3rd string, and then 3rd finger ends it on 7th fret of 4th string. And by the way, those last 3 notes, 7, 4th string, 5th, 3rd string, and then 7th, 3rd string. So we have. And then it's back to the next thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is play it along with the music for you a couple more times, because I know that this lick can be kind of difficult to pick up when played slowly. And now that we've went over it, I think you'll have a better indication of exactly what you need to do if I put the whole thing together one more time for you. So let's do that now, and then we'll move on to the next lick. Okay, so there we have it. That's one of the more tricky licks of the song, I think, because of this little thing. That goes by pretty quick. And from there, we're going to go into this lick again. We've already seen that a couple times. From there, we're going to pull to 3rd fret, 3rd string. And then seen that one a couple times too. Which is 3rd fret, 4th string, to 5th, 4th string, back to 3rd, back to 5th. And I'll cue that part up with the music here for you so you can kind of see that. It's a section we're going to work on. So after we have this thing, we're going to go, which is 3rd, 6th string, 3rd finger rolls over 5th, between the 5th string and 4th strings, then to 3rd fret, 3rd string, 1st string, and then 3rd finger, 5th fret, 4th string. sliding up here to 7th fret, 3rd string, and then over here it is 6th fret, 2nd string for this little section. So we have this part, which is 6th fret, 2nd string, 1st finger, and then I like to use pinky here, 10th fret, 1st string, to 8th fret, 2nd string. Then we have 8th, 1st string, 1st, 2nd string, 6th fret, to 3rd, 2nd string, 8th fret. After that, we have this little lick here. Which is kind of a repeatable lick. You do it twice. Your 3rd finger is going to start on 8th fret of 2nd string, and then roll over here, and then pull to 6th, and you do that twice. Hit that note one more time, and end it on the 8th fret. So when we put the whole thing together, we have. And from there, we have the next section that I'm going to kind of cue up. This is another one that goes pretty quickly. So that part's going to look like this. Kind of tricky because we have this little string skip in it, and then this string skip as well. So that whole thing starts with our 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and then we have a pull from 7th to 5th, and then slide to 3rd. And then the same lick that we've seen several times already. And here we have, which is 3rd finger, 5th fret, 5th string, to 1st finger, 3rd fret, 4th string, to 3rd finger, 5th fret, 4th string, 3rd here, 5th, 3rd string, and then we're going to drop down here with our 2nd finger to the 5th string, 5th fret. So we have the whole thing. And then that's going to bring us to our last lick. Which I will play for you now. Okay, so there that one is. We're going to start this one the same way we started the last two. See how that works? Same thing we've been doing. Except we're going to slide it up to 10th this time. That's going to be our last note on the 2nd string. And then we have, which is a little repeatable lick. It looks like this. And what I'm doing here is I have my 1st finger barred across the 13th fret on the 2nd string and 1st strings. from 13 to 15 on the second string, and then plucking 13th on the first string. And we do that 3 times. And then end on this note, which is the 15th fret of the second string. Okay, so there is all the parts to the solo. I think I'm about 33, maybe 34 minutes into it. So if you made it through all the parts, then I think you're pretty persistent, and I congratulate you for that. And I hope you're able to pull this one off flawlessly. So let's go ahead now and learn the end of the song, and then we're going to play it along with the music, the whole thing, see if we can pull it off flawlessly. I know I can. I'm just wondering if you can work it to that point. So let's do it. Let's finish this up.